Welcome. Have you ever wanted to improve your understanding of Google Drive? Have you ever wanted to improve how you use Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides?
Google Drive encompasses Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, which are part of an Office suite that permits collaborative editing of documents, spreadsheets, presentations, drawings, forms, and more.
Throughout this course, we'll take a look at the basics, engage and master G Suite tools, and discover advanced tools by exploring Google Apps. And finally, I'll share some tips and tricks to make you look great. You'll be able to do hands-on projects you can share with the class, I got you.